Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I got a haircut. It was the first time I got a haircut where she washed my hair, she trimmed my split ends, and then she used her blow dryer to fix it all up. My hair is super thin, not thick. So I need volume. And after this haircut, I got to thinking. I felt a little weird, a little too sophisticated with my new hair. I normally never fix my hair. I don't even brush my hair most mornings. So you can't blame me for feeling a little weird when my hair looks so nice and well done. But I like it. I feel pretty. What about you? Do you like to get all fixed up and pretty for the day? And if not, why? I think sometimes I am just lazy. I'm too lazy to fix my hair and put makeup on, so I just don't do it. What's your excuse? Check out my Slow English podcast merch. Link in my bio. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. This podcast is for advanced English listeners. Today, I want to talk about intelligence. Do you think intelligence is innate or learned? Innate means to be born with something. I think intelligence is learned. Anyone can be intelligent, but some skills are innate, depending on your physical characteristics or genetics. I think there are many types of intelligence. For example, verbal intelligence, mathematical intelligence, or social intelligence. I think I am verbally and socially intelligent because I am a good speaker and languages come easily to me. But I'm definitely not that mathematically intelligent. I have always struggled learning math. I work extra hard to understand mathematical subjects. What type of intelligence would you say you have? Are there any types of intelligence you need to work on? Comment below. Check out my YouTube channel for longer English podcasts. Check out my new merch, link in my bio. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Are you learning English with no one to practice with? I think I know what can help. Lingo Panda. It's an AI you can talk to anywhere. You can have real conversations to practice any time. You can order coffee, practice job interviews, or just chat casually, all in English. It feels real, but with no pressure. It feels like chatting with a real person, but available 24/7. With Lingo Panda, you can practice without fear. Try it out for free. The link is in my bio. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about an important topic, one that is truly changing our world: artificial intelligence. AI is everywhere, in our phones, in our homes, and even in the way we learn. For example, when we learn a new language, AI can be super helpful. With AI, you can practice speaking. You can have a real voice conversation, just like with a friend. This makes learning more fun and less stressful. So today, I would like to introduce a special guest to this podcast. Hello, CeCe. Welcome to the show.
Hey there, CeCe here, super excited to be part of your Slow English podcast.
CeCe, can you help our listeners with language practice?
I can totally help your listeners with language learning. I can explain tricky grammar points, provide example sentences, and even create fun quizzes to test their knowledge.
That sounds amazing. Moreover, CeCe can even recognize objects in your daily life. Plus, CeCe is completely free. No ads, no limits. Go download CeCe, your perfect speaking buddy.